Hello guys, I am Sai Chaitanya. In this video I am going to play the 5K and 4K video in this Redmi Note 5. So right now I am playing the 4K video guys. So the display is of very good quality. You can see the color reproduction is very good. And the viewing angles also are very good in all the directions. So the 4K video is playing without any problem. So let me show you the properties of this video. So here you can see the resolution of the video. And the frame rate it is at 30 frames per second. So there is no problem in playing this 4K video guys. So in the next video I'll be playing another like 4K video with the 60 frames, which of equal to the 5K video guys. So we can see the video just got hanged. So it doesn't support high frame rate video guys of the 4K resolution. So you can see the video gets stopped. So let me show you the properties. So you can see the resolution of the video and the frame rate is at 59.9. So that is equal to like 60 frames per second. So the overall the display quality of this phone is very good, and the viewing angles are also very good guys. So by playing this video, this is the best way to show you the clarity of this Redmi Note 5, how it is. And I upload a lot of videos regarding this Redmi Note 5 and Pro as well. So regarding the battery life, so you can check those videos and subscribe to my channel guys in the future for more videos I'll be posting regarding this both the phone guys. So if you have any queries, you can comment below the video. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.